Eddie, I am so happy to have you, and I welcome you with open arms. Caroline has been such an amazing friend and sister to me. She's been there through my, through Sophie's labor, she was there to celebrate Joanna's christening, and she was my maid of honor. And she welcomed my husband, Dave, with open arms. And Eddie, I'm going to welcome you the same way, with love and apprehension. But don't worry, she really loves Dave. So, as the Polish say, sto lat, which means, may your love last 100 years. So everyone raise their glass, sto lat!
Sto lat!
Congratulations!
My heart is very full.